In the vast, sun-kissed plains of Australia, dwelled a peculiar kangaroo named Cap. Unlike his kin, Cap had a peculiar curiosity, a thirst for knowledge that burned within him like a never-quenched flame. One day, Cap embarked on a journey, leaving the comforts of his familiar burrow. He sought the unknown, yearning to understand the mystery behind the elusive sunrise. As he hopped across the arid landscape, he stumbled upon a wise old emu who stood sentinel by the river's edge. Recognizing Cap's quest, the emu offered to share a secret. "To catch the sunrise, you must learn to embrace the darkness," said the emu, "for in the stillness of night, the sun prepares to rise." Puzzled, Cap thanked the emu and continued his journey. Each night, as darkness fell, he would close his eyes and meditate, trying to grasp the emu's wisdom. After many days and nights, Cap found himself by the river's edge, where the sun was about to rise. Suddenly, he felt a calmness wash over him. He closed his eyes, surrendering to the darkness. And in that moment, he felt the sun's gentle warmth upon his face, as the sunrise graced him with its presence. Cap understood then. The sunrise was a testament to the patience and acceptance of the darkness, a reminder that even in the darkest times, there is always a light waiting to be embraced. From that day forward, Cap hopped with a newfound wisdom, his curiosity not quelled but enriched. He knew then that the world was filled with mysteries, and he was eager to unravel them all. The tale of Cap, the curious kangaroo, became a legend, a beacon of wisdom and wonder, reminding all who heard it that in embracing the unknown, one finds the light.